Today we are going to download the forcing files.
Yep.
All right, log on. What are we going to do first?
We go to ROMS and we need to go into example, and then we copy the Mera tool.
The entire
We
folder.
need to copy.
The
Yeah,
entire
the entire phone to somewhere else convenient.
Maybe outside.
Yeah, just next to Palau Haikong.
Might do this.
No need ROMS.
Um,
We check the file first.
oh, it's not
It's
there.
in ROMS. No, it's there. Mera 2, besides the license tax.
Oh yeah. Let me do this first.
Actually, can move.
Yeah, well, no, I'm not gonna move it because that's dangerous. CP Mega -2.
Yeah, that's all.
Right. Okay, then
We go into the folder. Okay, first we need to create a folder name called Forcings. Big letter F. Yeah,
with an S or without an
yeah,
S.
with an S. Yeah, with an S. Then okay, so first we add the albedo. Get Mera albedo.
Okay.
Okay, here need to change a lot. Might need to remove the section starting from the HTTP cookie jar, I think, until, yeah, until below,
Until where? Okay, let me check.
until end of basic of audio code. Yeah,
At basic off, where's that?
down there, it's below.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Yeah, there it is, there it is.
Oh, this one. N basic off.
Yep.
Author blue code. Okay.
Yep.
Done.
Okay, debug level also remove, I think, the logging info until debug level. Yeah,
Also this.
yeah, remove the log until logging info. Yeah, then install basic client. Okay, the install basic client until import open URL also remove. No, the install basic client remove the line. Okay, and then add in import sys and import ibap.cas.urs or sys, or just next to it there's a pybap.cas.urs.
Wait, I don't see it here.
The last one
This one.
down, not this.
This one. Oh, here.
No, yeah, this, because the previous line is actually Python 3 code, like the HTTP cookie jar, all those. Actually all these can comment out lah. starting from cookie jar until the exceptions import client error. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Then,
After you should write from hidapcs.urs import setup session.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's a comment. Setup session.
From hidap.ces. Okay, then comment out the previous line, http cookie jar @netrc URL lib until like the BAP exception. Yeah, comment out more. Okay, I think that's it for the previous one. And then we change the server doctor can copy from the notepad. Yeah,
All right.
this link.
I'll just type it out.
Okay. Then I think just scroll down. Okay, that's all for this part. And until this part, let's see. Read from variables. Doctors, you need to edit above. Thanks.
Which line?
Let's see. Let's see. Month tag. Yeah, the first line month tag.
Mm-hmm.
We change to 5.
From 2 to 5.
Oh no, this above one. This one is 2. The first line. You see, right?
Uh-huh.
Month tag, day tag. Month
Oh.
tag 01, day tag 01. Oh no, not this. This one remain to month. Above this. Above again. Yeah, month tag. This one is to set the first day, so we put 05. And this is 01.
I mean, the month is May and the day tag is 1, the first day of the month of May.
Yeah, correct. Then RAD 5.1.12.2 TVAG. Okay, part need to change at the shift data between 0 and 360. This one you can copy from my there.
Wait.
There's the above one. Line which have lon equals to data set bracket. Yeah, these lines. You can check from my notepad. Let's see. Okay. Need to copy. Oh, there, above. Yeah, just pass it. Yeah. Can copy the session. There's a session called setup. Session equals to session. Yeah, copy this line until the long name, then replace the line in the
This one.
the until long name. Yeah.
Lawn name. Where's lawn name?
Above get data from the NASA OpenDAP.
Above get data. Here, so
Down there. Yeah, it's down there.
Okay, where do I start from here?
This line until I think the 15th line. Yeah, down. Again, long name until long name. Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Here. Session
Yep.
and long name.
Yep.
Okay, where do I put this?
You just copy to replace from here. Data set. Replace starting from the data set equals to open URL. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The long name, right?
Yeah, correct.
Oops.
I think just close.
Oh no. What
It's
happened?
lagging, is it?
I don't know. I pressed the wrong button just now.
Oh, okay, I see.
Let me just select everything. Until long name. Until here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then paste.
Okay.
Just do the rest. Okay, it's there.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Doctor, you have Earth data login.
Yep,
Do you have Earth data login?
think so.
If you have, you can replace my name through the setup session there. Yeah, if you have your own account, you just replace with your user and your username password.
This
If
is
you know,
actually the password, right?
this is the name. The next is the password. Yeah.
Oh, that means who's this Satpal? You need to change. I mean, you have to blank this out
Yeah.
later.
It's actually auto-generated. It's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, I'll blank it out.
Yeah.
And then I'll
We'll
use
have
my.
to put also. Yeah. You can use.
Let me just find mine first. Of data, I'm not so sure whether I have it. Probably somewhere, but I have to find it first. Maybe we can use yours for now.
Yeah, can. Then just remain it. Just remain it. Yeah, just to tell you is actually is a username and password.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Okay. This. Okay. So for here, the month in range. For month in range, we'll set it to 5, comma 5 plus 1. Yeah. Then you go down. You go down. Yeah. For day in range, this for day in range, we'll set it to uh 1, comma 1 plus 1. Yeah. Okay. Then yeah, this part also need to change. The data set open URL, right? There's one this. You need to add, yeah, session equals to session. Yeah.
Session equals to setup session, right?
Yeah. These 2 line, I think. Oh yeah, yeah, all line until data set close. Right. Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Doctor, you want to set the data you want to download for 1 month, or let's say you want to download for 1 day.
1 day.
1 day. Okay, then just remain like that. 1, comma 1 plus 1. Because if you want to set for the month, you need to set it to days in month at the range 1 to 1 plus 1. But now we temporarily set 1 to 1 plus 1. We see whether it's okay or not. And then there's one more thing need to change. Can doctor find one called D start? D start.
Okay, find it. Nope.
Yep, there is.
Oh, there. Oh, there it is. Restart.
Yeah. Need to above line. Need to change the uh next comma of 1 plus the 1. There's the end part is 1 comma 30, right? This
Yeah.
is the start time. We step to 0 comma 00. Yeah,
0, comma.
00. No, not this. Sorry. This one, the next one. Yeah, this is 0 and the 30 is 0. So this is where it caused problem. Like it starts at 1:30 and then it ends at 10:30. Yeah, that's the previous problem we said. And then for this next one, next line, right, there's a 3 dot slash 24, which means it takes every 3 hours. So let's say if you want more precise, we can maybe like set it to 1 over 24. So the Mera will take like every 1 hour, something like that.
So this 1 means 1 hour.
This one means the first day,
First
year,
day of
month, first
year, month. Okay. And then this starts at 12.
0 hour. Yeah, 0 hour, 0 a.m. 0 dot dot 00.
Okay. And the time here is probably Greenwich time, right? So in Malaysia, it's at 8 a.m.
I see.
Is that right?
So we should set it to our Greenwich, our timing, or just remain as 00.
We can
Because
we can leave it at 00, but later when we interpret the results, then we need to be aware that it's actually Greenwich time.
I see. Okay, I get it.
Okay.
Then set it to 3 hours, is it okay? Like
Yep.
okay. Then I think that's it. Try to save it. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Then we edit the PF. Okay. Get
Yeah.
Mera PF.
Can we try to
Yeah.
run it or to see that it works?
We can try. Can we try run Python get Mera video? 2019.
Like that?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, you need to install pip install IDAP. Yep.
Okay, try it again. No module named requests.
Yeah. Let me check. About the request. See. Pip install request. Yeah. Doctor, you can try pip install request.
Give an S.
Yeah. Let me check.
Line 57, session setup session that account.
Okay. Did we copy last anything? Let me check. Couldn't find a tree builder with a feature LXML. Oh, okay. Wait, I see this one I also got solved before. LXML. Sudo apt-get install Python.
Let me
Yeah.
just check something.
Okay, sure.
Okay, right. Just checking if the symbols are correct. Okay, then.
Right.
You were saying?
Pip install LXML.
L.
LXML. Yeah.
Is it downloading?
It will appear something called what warning SPL value, then it is downloading.
Okay.
Haven't yet. Haven't yet.
Probably trying to connect to the server.
Yeah. It will take time.
Oh,
But if it's one day, usually it won't take so long. It's like one day, maybe a few minutes.
and where will they place the file once it finished downloading?
In the forcings folder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And we have to do the same for the other scripts, right?
Yeah. Total, there's 11 scripts need to be changed, like similar things. Just
And
the
can I
naming.
yeah, can I just copy from your Word document from your Python script here to the all the other scripts? Or the things that
Can copy, but the naming I need to check whether is it correct. Naming and the URL. Because some they use different URL and name.
oh, okay.
Yeah, like in this case, this variable name is called albedo time. Then if it's like others like cloud, like precipitation, like rain, they will use different name. Uh,
How big is the file, by the way?
for one day, I think it's let me check how big is it. If it's one day, 100 MB, 186.3,
Oh,
somewhere there.
so it will just download it, and once it finishes, then you will save the file inside the forcings folder.
Yeah.
So that's what we're waiting for it to finish downloading. Oh,
Yeah. It's broken part, I think. Try to see the path, the process.
there's nothing running.
Check the forcings.
Okay, there. It's there.
It's download for 6 June. So I think wrong one. Yeah, maybe need to change the script again. Yeah,
Okay.
the albedo.
The month tag is correct. It's the 5th. It's 5.
Down there. It's not this. Down there. It's below. This month in range, we set it to 4, 4 plus 1. Yeah, because by the
All
it's
right.
like that.
Oh.
2019. it won't download it won't so fast download yet. Might take time.
I was hoping that they would show the temporary file while it's downloading.
They will show when the process reach the what part, yeah. They'll reach the creating the attribute, when the script change, they reach the part.
Okay, done.
Just to make sure, see whether the process is finished.
Yeah, it's done.
It's done already.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
You can delete the other mirror file.
Yeah, delete the 6.
Okay, now
Now we change the cloud. We go on, change the get cloud.
okay.
Uh,
I try copying and
it's
see whether it works.
it's similar, but don't remember to remain the there's a few part, the name and also the URL. Yeah,
Okay.
but you can copy first, then maybe you change it after that.
Well, where's the URL? Let's
Down
take a
there.
look. I'll just save it somewhere.
Down there.
Wait, let me just open up a file. Okay. Where?
See the down there. Okay. The name invar name and the URL. Let's see. I see the URL is M2T1NXRAD.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one also safe. And the invar name also.
In
And then the URL, I think is the same. Let me check. So the URL is at the below section. Date tag, below date tag, yeah. There it is, yeah.
okay. Need to copy this?
And C, is it same? Let's see. I think it's the same.
Looks the same.
Okay, then don't need to copy. Okay. It's the same, then don't need to copy. And I think that's all. Just these few things need to change. The names and the
All right.
that's all. Yeah, there's one more part, sorry. Doctor, the scroll down, the below, until the 4-day in range. The last part, I think.
Okay.
4-day in range, right? Need to copy this starting from, let's see, NP0 var shapes s var equals to s var equals NP0 ln x. Can you see there's one thing called var underscore 3 hour? 3 hour. Yeah,
Okay.
these two lines need to copy first.
Copy this one.
Yep.
And then place it here.
No. Yeah.
Let's put it here.
Yeah, I think that's all. You can shift. You can remove all the things and replace it with.
Wait, how come we don't see it here? Oh,
It's different. Yeah.
which part? Is it this part here? Which part is different?
Yeah. The var daily. Yeah, this one. The var daily. It doesn't have, but in here Yeah, let me check. Let me check and see. Session data set var equals to data set var equals to np as array as var equals to 0. Okay, yeah, it is different. This function is different. But when we copy, we need to remove the, yeah, we need to remain this section, section starting from the s var np0. So means we just copy above. Yeah, this part is not required, and the rest on top is copied.
Okay, up. Okay, that means up to here, right?
Yeah.
All of this. Correct?
Correct.
And here.
Shift data.
Okay, from shift data.
Yep.
Like that?
Yes.
Of course, we have to change a few things. Let me check.
The
This one
naming.
according to this. LGTOP. Cloud photo. Cloud. Time. And then also the year.
Yeah, the range and the year.
Range.
It's above actually. It's on top. Yeah. This one is 1 to 1. Above. Yeah.
Yeah.
The year. Let me see. Yeah, month tag, day tag 1, and month in range. You set it to 4, comma 4 plus 1.
This one, right?
This one is 1 plus 1, comma 1 plus 1.
And where's the month?
Above. Yeah. 4 month in a range. 4 plus 1.
Okay.
I think to understand, Doctor, you change it to 5 minus 1, comma 5. Much easier to understand. Even though it's the same value. Yeah. 5. No, the other side. 5 minus 1 is the previous one. Yeah. Yeah. Like that. Basically, I think, yeah, that's all. Oh, yeah, the ROMS, D start changes, right? D start. Is it 00?
Should be 0. No. Yep, it's 00.
Okay. Then I can save this, I think. Yeah.
Are we downloading for the 4th month?
Sorry?
Are we downloading for the 4th month, April or May?
May.
But then just now you 5 minus 1 for the 4 in range 4 to 5, right?
Yeah.
But if in range 4 to 5, won't it download for the April?
Yeah, because the functions there, right? You see there's a month tag. There's a month tag. They actually got 1 plus 1 there. So if it doesn't have +1, so it's download for April. But when it is +1, that means it add another one value, which means download for May.
Okay. Down there
Yeah.
it changes again in the
Yeah,
function.
it's like
Okay.
you see, yeah, the month tag function they changes it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thanks.
So can we try running the code?
Can Python
Out.
2019. Actually, doctor, they create this bash. There's a one bash script, right? When we edit all the files, then when you run the bash script, it runs everything.
Oh, mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
To
So
automate.
yeah, automate it. But you can run by one also, like just to check, in
Yeah.
case. So I think
Oh, there's a problem.
no, this is not a problem. This is the downloading data. Yeah.
Okay.
When it finished, that means it's finished downloaded.
Yep. It's there
Okay,
now.
then we edit the other scripts. Maybe we go by sequence, I think.
Which one?
Long wave radiation, LWRAD. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, need copy the naming. I think. Yeah.
Okay. What else?
Then check the URL and see whether is it the right one. Yeah, it's the right one. M2T1X XRAD. Okay.
How about the bottom one? This part here?
Let me see, is it the same? Yeah, this is different. We need to copy same thing, like above the shift data between 0 360 degree. Yeah. We need to remain the bottom part. Then the rest is replaced.
This part.
Yeah, this part remains.
Oh, this part remains. Okay.
Yeah, so just the part above it. There, environment.
Yeah. Bar name.
Okay.
Until shift data here.
Yeah, shift data.
Okay.
Okay. Then yeah, just change the sorry, forgot you changed the month and day already, right, doctor?
Yes. I changed here.
Okay, then it should be fine. Just run it. Okay. Now we change the other files. Rain. Get mirror rain.
Oh. Do you think it works? There's no problem?
We check the forcings if if there's a file there, which means it works.
Not yet. It's still downloading.
Not yet. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Guess it's working. Yeah, it's there. Now, rain, right?
Rain, yeah. Okay. Same thing, we copy the name first.
And then
Uh,
different, right?
let's see. I check and see the environment. Before data sets open URL, yeah, the part we need to remain is start from var equals to dataset in var name one plus dataset in var name two. That line,
Which one again?
the line for var equals to dataset
Okay.
bracket in var name one. Yeah, this line until the end need to be remain,
Okay.
and
Before.
yeah, then before it change. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, just remove first, I think.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, you haven't saved, right? I think there's some more line need to be copied. Sorry, I forgot the URL is different for this one.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. So control. No.
need to copy the URL and
The URL is different.
yeah, different.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, let's see. Is it different? X1 and T. Yeah, it's different.
Okay. So copy this.
Yeah, copy this.
Okay.
And the SPval equal to dataset in var name 2.
Where is that?
Below let equals to dataset, just above it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
below this SPval until the total precipitation. Yeah, this line need to copy also.
do you know where to put it later on?
Yeah, I know where to put it. And then yeah, that's all. That's all. Just replace with others.
Okay.
Before this var equals to yeah. Before this line. Not this line also. The data set open URL starting from
You need this line?
data set starting from the data set equals to open URL before, yeah, until above.
Okay. Above. Wait. Okay. So you're saying from this line?
Yeah, from this line.
This line we need.
This line we need. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, to replace now. The URL, this part, yeah.
Okay. And then the URL.
URL.
Okay.
Uh,
This one. Right.
3 line. Yep.
Okay.
Then there's one more URL at the below, the 4-day in range loop. 4-day in range loop. Yeah, the URL. Yeah. The spacing, is it all correct? Let's see. I'll check. Yeah, correct. Into okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, correct. Just save it and
Try
try
running
to
it.
run it. Yeah.
What is this again?
Rain. Okay. Not yet.
Let me just send reply to a few messages.
Okay, sure.
It's not a problem, right, son? Yep.
So there's a few more scripts need to change. Snow and snow show you. Inwa name is not defined. Wait, there's something wrong. Let's see.
Hmm?
There's something wrong with the script. See.
Oh. Invar name. So
What
now
line is that? It's 131. Let's see.
okay, let's see. Mm,
No, not here.
yeah. Yeah.
One three.
This one.
This line is not needed. This line is not needed. Yeah, just remove it. And the MPAS array also, the line. Yeah, this line.
Like that.
That's it. Because the data set UI session. Yep, like that. Should be fine now.
But it did download the rain. But maybe it didn't
Just
keep it.
Mm.
Because it's here, you see?
It's downloaded, but just when you reach this part, the that line, like 131, right? It could not find what is in one name. So it stopped there. Lah. Stopped until that line. Suppose it will run until finish. Rain.
Oh,
What name again?
another
I
error.
think we copy last something. Copy last something. We need to check the
Check the script.
yeah 131. So it says it base type could not support this let me think. Could not support
Base type and base type.
try to check the file. We need to maybe shift to NumPy array. Yeah. Try to cannot cancel it.
Mm, I think it's done. Okay, go back where?
Get rain. Get Mera rain.
Oops. Okay.
We go to line 131.
Mhm.
Let me compare with this. Data sets involving. Okay. Add a line below this line, the invar name tree. Add a line below this line.
Okay.
Put it var equals to np.as array array bracket, not this bracket, the other bracket, the usual bracket, var. Let me think, is it how we should put default. I think after remove this line, we edit the line above that. We add every np.as array in front of the data set. Yeah, in front of each data set. Yeah. .as array bracket. Close bracket. Then same this also. Yeah, that's it. Save it and we run again.
Yeah, so that should be fine.
Haven't yet.
Nope.
That's the problem with data. If we didn't convert to NumPy array, then it could not run like the mathematic computation, plus, minus, multiply, divide. I'm not sure is it the same as like R or like when it's happened in MATLAB that we should convert the array we extract to somewhere recognizable.
No, it should
Yeah.
work. If it's in R, then you should be able to work with any mathematical operation. We have to convert. Or even
I see.
it's just related to Python language. I think it also happens in C++ too, if you don't convert it properly. It's the same issue.
C++.
I think it happens there. Because in C++, it's not so straightforward as in MATLAB and R. So MATLAB and R is actually a lot easier. Python also is supposed to be easier, but maybe it still have some characteristics of programming. I mean, hardcore programming instead of scripting
Yeah.
like an R. It's just a guess.
Yeah. I think you should close it. Just wait.
I don't know. Let's see. Jobs. It's still running.
Yes, right. Until it finish.
Now, after we've downloaded all the forcing files, then what do we do?
We will input it into the ROMS project,
Oh,
into
okay.
our upcoming.
We
Yeah.
don't have to merge it. We don't have to combine it or add it to the source grid and so on.
We just need to. There's one more bash script in this Mara2 file.
Yeah.
We need to run add let lon coordinates in it, and that's all.
Okay,
Just
done.
above this file. Yeah, it's done.
Now which one?
We have to change. I'm not sure snow is it used. I think you have to change also. Snow, get Mera snow.
Okay.
Oh, you need to nano edit it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Mm.
All right.
We copy the name.
Okay.
Then
Then
we check the URL.
this one.
Mm.
Is it different?
It's same as rain, but it's different than the previous one. Just copy them. Mm.
Okay. Then
And then
I see that this is a bit different. Okay, I think let's change it bit by bit ourselves.
Yeah, we could try that.
Okay.
can
This
can just be maybe.
okay, I will change the import. I'll just copy all of this.
Mhm.
Mm.
Delete this part here up to I think all this can be deleted too anyway. Debug level 2, right?
Yeah, debug level 1 is okay.
Not level 1 yet. And I'll just paste it here. And then nothing here.
This is all remove define.
Okay. This should be fine.
Yeah.
So this one URL should be okay. Okay, month in range. Should I change, right? It's 5 minus 1, 5. And then day in range.
1 plus 1.
Yes.
I'll check see it correct.
Anything extra?
Let's see. Need to remove the upper section. There's after the import part, there's a section need to be removed. This def define function need to be removed.
Okay.
Yeah, until bottom.
All right.
Until this end of authentic code.
The install basic client
Also remove install basic client. Yeah.
from by DAP client.
Uh, yep. Remain. That one is
Like that.
And then add CAS or something. Is the repeated import, so just remove that line. Yeah.
Okay. Done?
Let's see. And then we change the server URL.
The server URL should be correct.
No, it's wrong. In here,
Okay. Change it to what?
change it to the one in the notepad.
This one?
Yeah. And no, not this, not this, not this. The next one, the next notepad. The server, there's a server equals to
This one.
not this above the URL. The
Oh.
server equals this.
This one.
Yes. Replace this.
Oh, wait, I deleted that one already.
It's fine. Just replace it.
No, the one I deleted is a different one. Wasn't it this one? There's supposed to be a URL somewhere here. Okay,
I
where's
think it's
the
above. Above the naming part. Yeah, it's in here. You remove that one, the right one,
this
in
one?
the naming part. Above again. Yeah, this one server. You remove something, I think, after you remove the month tag or day tag. Yeah. There, you remove the date tag. Is it?
There's a
Yeah, you
URL.
remove.
So
You
that you
remove this.
okay, the URL should be the same as this one, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Copy. So it should be here. And then the server here must. Okay. Should be good. Let's save.
Yeah. I think might have error. I'm not sure, but we see first.
Why?
Because I'm thinking there's something we haven't changed, like the launch part. Yeah, and the setup session. Yeah, correct. Many things haven't changed yet. Uh, uh, Need to stop this first, and then we try to change it.
Line 60.
Yeah, you should go to the line.
Which line was it?
The line which have the server, right? Below the line which just now Doctor delete the URL line.
Okay.
Down there, down there. Yeah, this section need to add the my username and password. Yeah, which never add. And then yeah. This one, yes. Then change the one below also. That's
Where?
below again. And the 4-day range, 4-day in range loop.
Okay, here.
Yeah, there's a data set open URL. Yeah, need to add
Same
this
instance.
yeah above this data set open URL.
Okay.
And then need to change I think above there's one more thing never changed yet. The first URL. But, let me think. There the data set equals to open URL. Need to comma session equals to session to add the inside session equals to session. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then yes, and then let there's a thing need to add in the uh lawn data set. The line below it need to the line at the lawn equals to data set lawn uh array. Yeah, this line need to add an npas array. So maybe doctor can add in front of it. Yes, array bracket. And then the latitude also or latitude also. Yeah. And then need to change the URL at the below. The 4-day in range loop. Okay. Need to add session equals to session. Yeah. Yeah, this one. And then variable equals to data set, need to add a npas array for this. And the d start above it. D start need to change to 00.
Okay.
Okay, and let me think there's anything more. Think I mistaken. Need to change the 4-day in range to uh to set something at there. for day in range, like day in range 1 plus 1, 1 year. For day in range start from day 1 plus 1. I'm not sure is it correct or not because I scared when we download we just download one day. So maybe you can try download like several days instead. Mm. But I think it's fine lah. We just remain it as like that first. Yeah. We just
Okay.
save it and then we try to run it. Yep.
Okay, I think should be working.
We're okay, right? Let me try
Still
to
run.
edit other still right.
Yep. So are these all of the available forcing files? Are there any more forcing?
Yeah, there is more. There is total 11 files, but we just edited like 4, I think 5, I think. We have need to edit shortwave radiation, QA, Q air, humidity, temperature, U wind, V wind. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, in the server. Oh, over here it just states this. These are the forcings that are needed for the model.
Yeah. I'm not sure about snow, but actually others I've seen it got used like the albedo, LRAD, SRAD, rain, Q air, T air, and U and V wind. Yeah. And P air also. Okay.
Done. Okay.
No more done already, right? Okay. We might to need to edit the uh shortwave radiation above.
Okay, the top one should be the same, right?
I think you just copy the name, maybe this one. Yeah, shortwave radiation.
Okay, that means this one. And also the server.
Is
No,
yeah.
server is okay. Server is in this code here.
The URL only.
Okay. And then
URL.
which URL?
Below it, below it. Yeah,
This
this
one.
one. No, not this. Below it.
You mean this one?
Yeah, this one. This one.
Okay.
And then yeah. And then the last part. That's all. Just I'll need to copy.
Because the URL looks the same.
URL looks the same. Oh, okay. Then don't need to change it. Just copy and copy.
Until where? Until this part here, shift data.
Until, yeah, shift data, correct.
Okay. Okay, where's undo redo? MU and ME.
Then change the name.
Change the name.
Yeah, that's all. Nothing needed to be changed.
See if it does.
The month also changed already, right? The
Yeah,
month
because
and the range.
change it here in the original script. Not the
I
original
see.
one. If I've already edited it so that I can just copy straight away from here.
See.
How many more scripts do we need to edit?
It's five. Five more.
5 more. Okay.
Yeah.
Q air, T air, U win, V win, right? That's 4.
P air. Pressure.
And P air, okay. Are they about the same as this one?
Yeah, about the same, but the URL need to make sure is and the naming URL and the naming.
Okay. Where's PA? I don't see it. Oh, there it is, PA.
I'm not sure whether we should download like a month data or just like download one day.
What?
I'm just worried it might not download, like it might not I mean we might require more instead
Oh,
in the future. Yeah.
As in like for the modeling, right?
Yeah. Because I scared if like we download one point, it's like it doesn't have enough information.
oh.
Uh,
And forcing files only has, I mean, they only have one data file per day, or every 3 hours there's one. So basically, there's 3 divided by there's 6 data pausing data per day.
Suppose yes.
So actually,
Yeah,
if we're
suppose yes.
so actually, if we're downloading a data, the forcing file should one file should have 6 rows of data, right? Okay, it's done.
Should okay. Should have. But if we don't download like for a month data, then we have to leave it to let it run because it will take a lot of time. It
But how
might
many
take quite long.
but how many NC files
That
would be per parameter?
one
Oh, only one.
NC file per parameter. Yeah,
Even
but
if
they
1 month or
just
so, it's still one only.
Oh,
yeah
okay.
they just extract and then they put inside, extract, put inside. Yeah, something like that.
All right. So let's work with the next one. Which one?
P air we go for.
All right. I think I'm getting the hang of this already. Okay, just copy
The name.
this part here. Okay, and then
The URL, check and see is it. Yeah, the URL need to copy also.
the URL looks the same, doesn't it?
No, different. This is XLV.
Ah, okay.
That is RAV. Yeah,
All right, and what else?
that's all. Yeah, just remove all before the var data set.
Oh, the other way to get the forcing file is actually just to go to the website and click on it and download, right? Oh no, not
Yeah.
exactly. You need to extract it, correct?
You need to extract using Python scripts. Because their server is OpenDAP, they don't have the HTTP or the
Like
NetCDN.
download.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I have to delete that. I can't do like that. I have to do this. Okay. Rainbow URL.
Then
What else should be here? There's two URLs to change.
yeah, one is above, one is below.
Mhm. Okay. Anything else?
Or data set. The NPAS already, let's see, NPAS. Oh yeah, okay, can, sure. Should be fine.
Okay.
Try and run it.
This one works, then we'll just edit all the other files and then we run the batch.
Yeah.
We still have about another 4 more, right?
Yeah. I think actually I got run, yeah, after you can edit or anything. I actually got try on the server, like using the script, this one. Actually I realized that we maybe setting the wrong day range. Yeah. That one we have to set like wait, I need to set like the set to 6 so that it could download 6. It's like the number of times to download. Yeah, so we cannot set like 1 to 1, something like that. I just realized that problem.
Download what? The forcing?
Yeah, the forcing. We cannot set like 1 to 1 plus 1, something like that. I mean, in the script, there's a part, right, saying the 4 days in range.
Okay. Well, we're
There's a
downloading
part.
now, aren't we?
Yeah, we are downloading now, but I think we have downloaded the wrong thing because when I check in Monopoly, it's only download for one-time steps. Like how do you say? It download for the first 3 hours only.
Oh, okay. So we should change it from day 1 to 6. Is that it?
Yeah, just change it to 6.
From 1,6, you mean?
No need to 1,6. Just put 6. It will directly from 0 to it will directly to 6. Yeah.
6 what? 6 observations?
Yeah, 6 observation.
Okay. Okay, never mind. We'll just continue with the other Python scripts and finish it. Then we change all to 6, and then we run the bash
Yeah.
script. Yep. Okay, so next up is Pierre QR.
Yeah. GA and QR.
Okay, let's see. Try to do it very quickly. Copy. Paste. And look at the URL. The URL is about the same, SLV.
SLE, then we just remain it if it's
The
the
same as
similar.
yeah. Okay. So it's just the name then. Just 1, 6.
No, doctor, I think it's 9 because when we multiply, right, it's 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So it's we should suppose we put 8, but we need to like add 1. It's 9. So we just put 9.
Instead of 6, 9. That's for
Then
what?
that means you will like sorry, 8 8. It will ends at it will end at 10:30. No, sorry, not 10:30. 9 p.m. So if we set 9, which means it will have another extra data until 12 the next day. I think best is set 9 lah. Yeah.
Let me just concentrate on this first.
Okay.
Paste. And then the URL must change
to SLV, right?
Yeah.
By the way, Dr. know what is SLP?
Huh? What do you mean?
This is just a side question on SLP. Do you know what that?
Surface level pressure? I don't know.
Maybe. No, I'm just asking because just now there's the naming is called SLP for pressure.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
most likely it is for pressure, surface level pressure. The next one is this one.
Yeah.
And we can change that straight to 9. But you have to remember
Yeah.
that this is that we changed and the others we haven't changed yet.
Yeah. The spacing also need to.
Okay.
Yes, 9. So you'll go from 0 to 9. Yeah.
So that's it. And that's for Q air. Now T air.
Yeah.
And then take a look at the URL. This is
Should be the
X.
same.
Yes, it's XLV. So that's the only thing we need to change.
I think you need to remain the var. Yeah, because it's negative 30 convert to. So just
Okay.
yeah.
Mhm. Alright, no. Sorry, same.
Yeah, same. Before, yeah, the shift. Correct.
Okay.
Also SLV, right?
I think so. SLVS.
Yeah. Six. the naming.
Okay, done.
If I can check the T temperature add, I think there's something we need to add to switch to NumPy array. The for day in range, there's a var equals to temperature add. Yeah. Let's see. This the line var data set minus 273, that one remove. That line remove.
Okay,
And then this var NPS array, right? We add minus 273.15 behind the, yeah, this one. Yeah, that's right.
okay. We change albedo.
We changed the day and not this. Yeah, right.
Okay, then
Cloud.
snow.
Long range. Snow also.
What else?
Long wave radiation and short wave. Short wave radiation. And then P air pressure.
Okay.
Okay. We check the bash script, the get bash script.
Which bash script are you talking? Okay, the get marathon. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe you just nano and see. I just see whether is it the right thing. Naming it should be right, I think. Yeah, okay. This is okay.
So run it.
And we run it and put a colon sign. What's it called? I mean, we dot slash the bash script and then we, yeah, this bash script. And then put a colon, semicolon, is it? Yeah. And then dot slash add coordinate. Okay, then we run it. 2000 Okay, Then you just wait for it to see.
Cannot access forcings.
It's not running yet, right? It's still
No,
running.
no, it's not. Stop. Because you cannot access
Uh,
forcings. Mirror,
Hmm.
Q, average.
Is it the path?
I think I can delete all of this, right?
yeah, delete all of it. You try to run the. Actually, it should be running.
Yeah, it seems to be working now.
Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Now background.
Still running, right?
Yeah. I think so.
Yep. Yeah, I think need to wait for it to be done.
Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna check my email.
Okay, sure.
Do you think it's working?
Yep. Still running.
Okay. So it has finished loading the air.
You one by one.
Okay, so
Yeah.
after this, after it finishes downloading all the forcing files, then what is next?
Then we either we check the forcing file is it ready, or we go to the ROMS directory.
Okay, so that'll be for tomorrow then.
Yeah.
32 now. It's about 2 hours now. Maybe we can just check the forcings to confirm that they are okay. I'll just
Yeah.
text one. We'll just
Still downloading.
in the meantime, I could probably just download the DR and check.
Yeah. Just check.
Okay, let's see.
Should have 9 data points.
Copy. Okay, open another terminal.
the panoply.
Yes. No, I need to download it first.
Sometimes I scared the process is queued. Maybe later need to monitor whether it queued the process.
Okay.
I didn't know this method works. Yeah,
Oh. Yeah, this is how you usually transfer files.
because I just use the OneDrive, copy up and paste.
That would take a longer time, right? If you have the code here, it's quite simple. You can script. You can put it all in the script, and then where it runs, and then it sends to your server or it sends to your laptop after it finishes automatically. If you strip all of
I see.
like here, and then I could put it in. I don't remember.
Users, is it?
Let's try that out. Oh yeah.
It's not the path.
Nope. Okay.
Yeah, probably set up a bash script, then it will be automated lah.
Yep.
If let's say you want to download the data.
Yep. And that's how you can actually work with the terminal. You don't have to log on using I mean you can write all of your scripts on the local server on the local computer, and then you can like send the file through this sort of commands like STP, and then the script would run and then download it. That output file. Yeah, that's what they mean by sending jobs to server to run. So you don't really need to have a beefy computer to do any of that. You just need to have a computer that can edit text documents only, and then you should be able to put a lot of the work on the server itself, not on your laptop.
It's very convenient.
Convenience. Yeah.
But it's off-putting for new users because
Yeah.
Yeah.
the concept. I myself
Yeah,
have
actually, doctor, we should wait for it like that, right? It jumps to the next process, P and only it consider complete. Yeah, for the thing. Yeah, it's okay. Can view it on the panoply first.
okay. I finished downloading already. Let's take a look.
It is in one. Is
I keep on sending comments just in case. Okay, so there it is. So
TS. Longitude, latitude.
there's
Okay,
two,
this is the first data point.
but there's 248.
No, it won't. Sorry, how many you said? 248.
Yeah.
I thought we download only one day. Let me check and see. 9. You try to scroll until the end. Like scroll further a bit. Yeah, that's why it's empty. Correct. So when we set like 9, it will download like 9 days actually. Is it? I need to
I-
check.
Not sure.
It's like 9 times 8, right? See,
9 times 8, 72.
72. We'll try 73 or 72.
72 first. All right. And 73. Okay, yeah. Yeah, only up to 9 days.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, I just afraid like we need more data, so I just asked doctor to download like 9 days, something else.
Okay. It's still working.
Yeah.
And another thing that's convenient about using the Mac, because it works with Linux very well, so that's why I'm able to use the same commands on my Mac.
Yeah,
I see.
won't be able to do that on Windows.
Yeah.
Yeah, Windows is different.
So it's not just about the. I keep on saying it's not just about the people. Some people say that like the brand, you just buy it because of the brand and the image it portrays of people using. But it's more of it's more convenient if you were to actually have this sort of this facilities on with servers.
Mm.
So it's based on the same operating. Based on the same, not the same operating system, but then the same infrastructure. Because you get to use most of the same commands. Although not all the commands are usable, but most of them are. Especially the like ls and all that. SSH. And for Windows, you would have to either enable the terminal, and then that uses a very weird folder pattern that's somewhere embedded deep inside your operating system, or you need to use putty or putty.
Mhm.
Touchy.
But yeah, it gets a bit. I don't know. I've never used it myself, but I feel like it's a bit convoluted. You use
Yeah.
that, but if you're used to it, then it's okay. But for me, it's just straight away then running terminal and be able to connect to the server straight away.
That's quite different from what do you call this? Linux operating system.
Yep.
Very different.
Actually, Putty I got tried before, but it's very slow lah. I mean, it's a bit of delay, although it can be used in Windows.
Mhm.
Oh, is it because of the
Because
connection?
yeah, it's like when you use Putty, you have to set up a server. Like maybe that time I tried is MySQL, MySQL. Then it's a bit slow lah, a bit
Yeah,
delayed.
a bit laggy, you mean?
Yeah.
Still waiting on this.
So I'm actually wrong. I think we can set it to 1 instead of 9. It's like when you set 1, it will be down to 1 day. Yeah.
One whole day.
Yeah, 1 whole day.
But right now
I
we've,
actually
we've
mistaken.
right now we've downloaded 9 days, right?
Yeah. Download more than we could.
That's okay.
Yes, I thought it's 9 observation.
Oh,
That means there's one forcing file per day.
Actually, it's no, it depends on the like it's 30 it's the 8 files 8 files per day.
Mhm.
8 time steps I mean 8 time steps
Mhm.
per day. And then it's like now we have 9 days, right? We have 9 times 8, 72. So totally is 72 time steps just now the files. So now it's like they have 72 for each. Mm. And each time step is 3 hours. Yeah.
Oh,
basically, it compiles the 3 hour time steps into your day setting.
Yeah.
How long is it?
So in a day, there's 8 files. There's 8 observations.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
And if you download
So
a
if
day,
we set,
if you set for one day, then you download 8 rows or 8 observations.
yeah,
Okay.
yep. Then if but in default, like if we never change the number, right, they will put 8 in 1. It will direct to the script. Out there you can see, right, there's a lib below the lib. They have settings already like 31, 39, 31, 30. This is January, February, March, April, and so on. So if we didn't change, it will download for a month. Mm.
So
Yeah, this is just to say if we have time, we can like remain it, then we download the whole one.
okay,
Yeah,
and then the model will just use the parts where we specify in the header or the input file. The input file.
input file. Yeah, like we set how long does the model run, like how many time steps, and the time intervals between time steps. Then it will set based on it, and then first they will like have like forcing file. They must be need like within, that means the range we set must be in the forcing file have, like the forcing file have the range we set.
Mm. So it's always better to download more so that it can ensure we have all of the data needed for the model.
Yeah, it's true. Same goes to like maybe CRM or boundary in case like there's error lah. And yeah,
Okay. It's gonna take some time to do this.
yeah, it takes times like 9 days, right? It usually take like
So
total
the,
is 11 files. Yeah.
so we're only up to 3.
Or maybe we should wait until tomorrow. Like we just see after
Yeah,
that.
okay. Then I guess it's fine. I'll just monitor this later and to see whether all the files have been downloaded. If okay, then I'll send a message in the WhatsApp group saying that everything is okay. We finished downloading it, and we just continue with the ROMs setup tomorrow.
Okay. Let's
Let's
Okay.
see. Can I log off safely? I think I already put it in the background. Because one thing
Yeah.
with the terminal is that it only works as you are when you are logged on. When you disconnect, then it stops any process. But I think I put it in the background, so I hope it will
Yeah,
continue.
remain.
Maybe
I
you
mean,
can try to log out and log in again.
okay, so I'll exit now, and then I log back in. Let's see whether it's still working. Oh no, it stopped.
That's a bit
Oh,
troublesome.
okay. So how do we schedule?
Let it run.
I think there is method, but we
Okay.
need to find out.
There's a method, but let me check ROMS. That should be Mera, right?
Yeah.
Four things. Okay. I already put it in the background, but I'm not sure why it stopped.
The previous file, try.
Hmm?
In the Mera tool, in jobs maybe.
No, it should be. I mean, it should show all the jobs.
Should show all the jobs.
Oh,
It's not based on the folder.
Okay, let
so
me
it
Google
started
it.
off.
Run process
Bash script.
background log. I have to log out. I already Googled this before, but I forget. Okay, if you want to background already running test, then control that and run BG to put your most recent suspended task in the background, allowing it to continue running. This one will keep the process running after you log out. Oh, disown. Okay, no wonder. Share my screen.
Disown.
Yeah, that's not the command. So it says here, oh, you should look for modern alternatives like tmux. This is what I used before, but I have to download it. Spirit screen.
Yeah.
To get plan, you need to switch the enroller, start tmux by tmux, then install the process you want inside the tmux session. Leave detach,
D and touch. Control B then D. Okay.
and then your process will keep running inside tmux. When you come back again, check the status. Okay, let's try this, but I have to install first. Start tmux. Oh, let's see. Let's see, does this work?
Not installed. Need to go and get. By the way, the server Ubuntu already outdated. We update it at the server room one.
Which the one that you're using right now?
Yeah.
Yes, you can. But usually I would hold off on updating as I'm working on something. But I'm scared that it might break something.
And I just remain in just in case
After you finish everything,
because it
update. Yeah, because of yeah,
it's just because the
yeah. The system message pops up saying that you need to update or you can update the system, right?
yeah
Usually I will ignore it because it happens it, it broke one of my routines when I updated the OS, so I don't want to upgrade anymore unless I have to. You don't really need to upgrade all the time,
okay.
especially to a different version. Once you're using one version and you stick to it,
Yeah, true.
it's like zero. Yeah, that's why the
Sometimes
Atmosphere server is still at 18.0, 16.04, not even 20.04. Okay, never mind. Let me try this one first.
Gmax.
All right.
Okay.
So typing tmux. Start the process you want inside the file tmux session. ls
You need
cd.
to put the high ROMS, the Mera.
Okay. And then
Slash. Oh, need to add a to add column. Yeah, correct. Like that.
okay. Start the process you want inside the tmux session. Leave and detach tmux session by typing Control B and then D. All right.
So we need to start first.
Start. I think I'll just Control Z now.
Oh, we
And
need to
then
remove again. Yeah.
it's running now. It's just that I can't log out.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I can log out. It's the CD. I'll exit this now.
By tapping.
You can use tmux attach to the tmux session. Okay, so typing Control B and then Control and then D. Control. Sorry.
B.
Control B. It's not working. What Command D? Nope.
small letter B, is it? Or big?
Small letter B, Control B. Doesn't work.
Detach the T mark section by typing Control B and then D.
Yeah, but I can't.
Control B and D.
Control B. Doesn't work.
Hmm.
Can I just type detach? Ah, now detached.
Okay.
Then we need to see by the T marks, right? Jobs.
I can attach the marks. Alright, and then jobs. No.
No, it's not attached T marks. I think it's
The
some
attach
other
command
command.
is not found. Something else.
T marks attached, sorry.
Should be
T mark.
Uh,
Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's
Then we
running.
see jobs.
okay. If it works like this, then that's
So Control B.
So we should. Okay.
Let me take some time for it to detach. And then B. Oh, okay. That means there's no response. I just need to press Control B and then D. And it would.
But then how you would know it's running? Like
Only when you attach it.
Hmm.
You the session. But I think I can see it here. Oops. On top.
oh, need to install top on it. Top.
No, just is it there?
System and the
Yeah.
no, I think.
I think it's Python.
It's Python. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's running Python script. Yeah.
But it's not using the entire CPU. Very
Yeah.
minimal. But it's downloading, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's downloading and then it extract.
So it works.
Only when it is like interpolating or computing, then it will use the memory.
Let me try to exit again.
Yeah, and then
No.
try logging in again.
Okay. Alright, and then Emacs attach.
Attach
And then jobs.
jobs.
Running.
It's running. Okay.
So I'll detach now, Control B and then D. And then I can exit.
Mhm.
Alright, so we just have to wait for it to finish.
Yeah, just wait for it.
I will close this session, stop the recording,